Friends, I decide I'm no boss in every method and your teacher. We teach everybody, and we must investigate natural solfeggio. We must be in groups, and students will play with us. I will be something like organizer, but not boss. Not boss. I apologize. Today I practice like I'm not. I rather wanna have friends and have fun, and I'm already very satisfied with my playing. So I will now act burnout body. And this I also learned from Adam Tuminaro. And GD style, perfect grower. Show me Adam Tuminaro, this really important group for funky playing. Can't be bad guy. When I act in bad guy, I'm a later shame. I'm good in heart. I can't be boss or something like. I let my wife at it. I don't like to fight. So this is an important change in EBA method. We everything share. Troops don't paying nothing. And we together decide what will be price for exercise and everything. I need more experience and more smarter than me. This is now JD acting style. I can't like him, but close. Nobody have to pass test. I must play solo in the. My father come, you will see punch in the head. Many rhythms you can play.
ti dolazi.
Zašto?
Zato jer je 3 sata u noći ti ideš.
Dobro, idi.